Hello students, welcome to my course Meclf2246. You have started attempting the quiz. The student who are finding any problem in attempting the quiz can post in the discussion forum. If you need any help or you want to know more about how to use the online platform My eClass Academy, then you can use the discussion forum. How to use the discussion forum, I'll show you today. So I'm sharing my screen first. See, when you log into My eClass Academy, you will be shown the courses in which you are enrolled or which you are assessing. So this is the course Meclf2246. When you click on the course, then it comes to the main page, the general announcement, social forum, class schedule, discussions. When you go to this discussion, then here you can create your own discussion, or if you want to reply to a previous discussion, you can use this forum. So when I click on discussion, see, this is the first discussion which has been posted, in which I have posted about myself. So every student who is enrolled in this course has to introduce himself or herself with the details, why, what they have done, and why they are joining this course. So to reply, you are not supposed to create a new discussion. Just go to this reply. See, if you can see on the lower right hand side, there is an option reply. Just click on reply and a new window, a new box will open up. You write about yourself here and then submit. You can review this reply up to 30 minutes, after which you won't be able to edit it. So you just write, everyone who is enrolled here have to introduce himself or herself to the fellow participant. If you want to create your own discussion, you can also do